Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So I was practicing earlier today and I played something actually came into my hands and I just feel like showing it to you guys. I feel it's going to be of help. You'll actually try using it in a song, right? There's actually going to make you land on your do, on your root. So I'm using this as my do, right? Yeah, so let me just play very slowly, right? So that's actually what I played. So right, so I actually tuned down my guitar half step down, so don't get confused, right? So this is actually my key of B, right? It's supposed to be my C, but I actually tuned down, so don't get confused. So you can actually use anyway actually to just practice this riff. So I actually slided so what I play is la di do, right? So la di do, right? So di do, that is o ti la, right? There, right? There, I slided behind the di, that is ti la so, but I just slided, right? You get it? That's just about the first part too. Mi re do, mi re do. Right? You get it? Then so ti la so. So ti la so. Let's join it all together. Again. Then we end it with right after. Right. Then ra do mi re do after. So ti la so re fa do mi re do. So sorry. You get it? Go. Sorry, let's play it very slower. Go. He says it's working, right? So that slide I'm doing here, very important. You can just continue, keep going from there. You see? So let's go again. So let's go again. You see, I'm trying to add this one now, and it's sounding interesting. So the idea is just for you to just land on your one board. I'm just trying to add my fourth here, and I feel it's making sense. That is just what we're learning today, right? Then you can just add it anyhow you just want it, right? So ti la so re fa do mi re do. So la ti do and do ti la so mi re do so, right? Then ti la so re fa do mi re do, right? So this is it. You can add this. So let me play it so you can see it. Because you can just add it to make it sound interesting. So what I did, I just landed on the fourth bar. So you can just do that to land on any way you want to land. So that's actually what we are learning today. So I'm going to see my next lesson. So just try play it very slow. Try playing it very slow. Reduce your tempo and try it till you get to your desired tempo. So yes, and if you have any song you want to apply it, fine. Let's do this. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next class.